question. If determine quadratic function f, quadratic function f కనుక్కోవాలి మనం, is defined by f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c ఇచ్చాను అన్న. If f of 0 6, f of 2 1, f of minus 3 6. ఓకేనా, f of x మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఫస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Now substitute f of 0 value అంటే x ప్లేస్ లో 0 రాయండి అన్న. a into 0 square plus b into 0 plus c. f of 0 value 6 నాన్న. 6 is equal to a into 0 0, b into 0 0 plus c. Now 6 is equal to c is equal to 6. Okay nana. Now next one, f of 2 value substitute చేయండి అన్న. f of 2 is equal to a into 2 square plus b into 2 plus c. f of 2 value నన్ను 1 ఇచ్చాడు. 2 square అంటే 4a plus 2b plus already c తెలుస్తున్నాను మనకి 6. Now 4a plus 2b is equal to 6 minus 1 5. This is the second, this is the first. Okay nana. Next value f of minus 3 substitute చేయండి. f of minus 3 is equal to a into minus 3 square plus b into minus 3 plus c. f of minus 3 already given 6. 6 is equal to 9a minus 3b, already c value here there, plus 6. Now 9a minus 3b is equal to 6 minus 6 0. 9a is equal to 3b or a is equal to 3b by 9. Cancel చేస్తే now a value b by 3 నాన్న. a value ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకి b by 3. now a value of a substituting in equation 2 లో substitute చేయండి నాన్న. 2 లో value of a 4a plus 2b is equal to 5 నాన్న. a value b by 3. 4 into b by 3 plus 2b is equal to 5. now LCM తీసుకోండి. 4b plus 3 2s are 6b equal 3 5s are 15. 10b is equal to 15. now b value 15 by 10. that means 5 table cancel చేస్తే 3 by 2. b value 3 by 2 వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ a లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి అన్న. a equal to b by 3. now a equal to b value here 3 by 2. 3 by 2 by 3 nana. now a equal to 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. now here a value 1 by 2, b value 3 by 2, c value 6. okay na. These are all a b c value substitute in the equation. You got an answer now. f of x is equal to ax square, a value 1 by 2 nana. That means x square by 2 plus b value 3 by 2, 3x by